Uh, who are you?
Scream.
Uh,
Who are you?
I'm Luke.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang, the wrong house again.
Who are you looking for, Cindy?
Yeah.
She's across the road.
Right there. That way.
Yeah.
Okay, I go. What the hell? And then she locked me out.
That's my bathroom.
Oh, where?
You haven't left my house yet.
Where did I go?
Down that hallway.
Oh. I think somebody's down there. There's somebody down there.
But aren't you
Oh
the
my God, there's somebody down there, man. Let me disguise myself.
Aren't you the murderer though?
Maybe.
Who are you?
Jack.
Jack, I thought. Where'd Scream go?
Scream! Scream! Oh man, it's just a cat. Oh man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.